The "Your session has been suspended" error on Ticketmaster has become one of the most frustrating experiences for ticket buyers, especially during high-demand events like major concerts and sports games. This error isn't a glitch or random occurrence. It's actually the result of Ticketmaster's increasingly aggressive security measures designed to combat bots and ticket scalping operations that have plagued the platform for years. To understand why this happens, we need to look at the battle between legitimate users and automated bots. Ticketmaster's systems are constantly trying to distinguish between real humans and sophisticated bot programs. Ticketmaster tracks your session using multiple sophisticated methods. Browser fingerprinting analyzes dozens of data points about your device, from screen resolution to installed fonts, creating a unique digital signature. Machine learning algorithms continuously analyze your behavior patterns, looking for signs of automation. These systems flag activities like rapid page refreshes, multiple browser tabs, or sudden changes in browsing patterns. When suspicious activity is detected, the security system immediately triggers an alert. This can happen even to legitimate users who unknowingly exhibit bot-like behavior patterns. Understanding these triggers is crucial for avoiding suspension. Actions that seem normal to users, like refreshing the page when it's slow or opening multiple tabs to increase your chances, are exactly what bots do and will get you flagged. The key to avoiding session suspension is understanding that Ticketmaster's security systems are designed to be overly cautious. Even legitimate users can trigger these protections if they don't follow proper browsing practices during high-demand ticket sales. When you encounter the session suspended error on Ticketmaster, there are two main categories of solutions: immediate fixes you can try right away, and account-level changes that prevent future issues. Let's start with immediate solutions. The first and most effective fix is clearing your browser data completely. Clear your browser's cookies, cache, and browsing history. This removes any corrupted session data that might be causing the suspension. Next, disable any VPN or proxy services you're using. Ticketmaster's security system flags connections that appear to come from different locations. Close all other Ticketmaster tabs in Windows. Having multiple tabs open can trigger the anti-bot detection system. If these steps don't work immediately, wait 15 to 30 minutes before trying again. Sometimes the system needs time to reset your session status. Now let's look at account-level fixes that address the root causes and prevent future suspensions. First, reset your account password. This clears any security flags associated with your current login credentials. Verify and update your contact information. Outdated email addresses or phone numbers can trigger security alerts. Update your payment methods by removing old cards and adding current ones. Expired or invalid payment information can cause account flags. Finally, clean up your account by removing any duplicate or old accounts. Multiple accounts from the same person can trigger security systems. By following these immediate solutions and account-level fixes, you can resolve most session suspension issues and prevent them from happening again in the future.